Hello my colleagues, welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here as well, you are absolutely welcome. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my top 5 crypto coins to buy in the month of April 2025. Now, why April? Well, because April is usually a pivotal month for crypto, with some coins showing signs of explosive growth. I'm talking about 5 coins that are truly set to explode this month. Whether you are a seasoned investor or just starting out in the crypto world, this video is made just for you. So sit tight and enjoy. Before we jump in, please smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and share this video with your friends and anyone that might find it helpful. And without further talks, let's jump right into the video. Let's go. The first coin on my list for April is BGB. As of the moment of shooting this video, BGB is trading at around 5 USD per token with a market cap of roughly 6.09 billion USD. This coin has been on a nice upward swing recently. Just in the last 24 hours, it ticked up by 1.36%, and over the past week and month, it's been showing strong gains with about 1.4 billion tokens in circulation out of a total supply of 2 billion and a trading volume of around 177.54 million US dollars. There is clearly plenty of action and liquidity in this particular coin. But now, what makes BGB stand out isn't just its price movements. This token is the heartbeat of the BitGet exchange. It's not just a speculative asset. It plays a real role on the platform by offering 20% transaction fee discount when you trade using BGB, early access to new project tokens, participation in exciting airdrops and lotteries, and even profit sharing opportunities where you can earn commissions from your referrals. And here's the cool twist. BGB uses a deflationary mechanism, a buyback and burn program that gradually reduces the supply. Think of it like, cutting slices of a pizza. With fewer slices of, the pizza being available, the ones left might just, get much more valuable. That's the case for BGB. Adding to that, the BitGet exchange itself is growing like crazy, serving over 20 million users worldwide and handling about $10 billion in daily transactions. This growth fits directly into the demand for BGB, making it a coin to watch, especially as the platform gets even stronger. Analysts are pretty optimistic for the coin. They forecast that BGB might trade between $8 to $10 for the rest of 2025, with long-term predictions even hinting at a potential tenfold gain by 2030. So if you're looking for a coin with real utility, solid growth trend, and a close tie to a booming crypto exchange, BGB might just be your moneymaker for this month of April. Alright my colleagues, let's move on to the next gem on our list, Toncoin. Now, if you haven't heard, Toncoin is a native cryptocurrency of the Open Network, originally created by Telegram's founders, the Durov brothers. Although Telegram had to, step back due to regulatory problems, the vibrant community picked up the mantle and have been building it ever since then. Now, let's talk about what's been happening with Toncoin in 2025. You see, this year started off a bit rocky for the coin. Toncoin dipped to around $4.85 and even fell to a low of $3.50 after a major capital injection from various venture capital firms. But don't worry, by late March 2025, it bounced back to about $3.67. Despite these ups and downs, market sentiment remains cautiously bullish. In simple terms, while short-term traders are cashing in on their gains, long-term investors are holding steadily, expecting brighter days ahead. And here's the exciting part for April 2025. Analysts are predicting that Toncoin's price could surge into the $10 to $12 range, averaging around $11. Long-term forecast even hinting that by 2030, Toncoin might hit $33. Now, that's a growth story that you don't want to miss out. You might now be wondering what's fueling or what could fuel this potential. Well, the Ton Foundation has been busy with hackathons, developer grants, and making wallet integrations more user-friendly, making it easier for everyone to store, send, and receive Toncoin. Plus, continuous upgrades to the Ton blockchain are boosting its scalability and security, which means a smoother ride for all those decentralized apps and smart contracts that are built on top of it. For us Nigerian investors, Toncoin isn't just another altcoin. It's a ticket to be part of an innovative ecosystem with strong community support and promising technological advancements. Whether you're looking to diversify your portfolio or just keen on exploring new opportunities, Toncoin is definitely one to watch out for in this month of April. The next exciting coin I have here that could explode in April is Uniswap. Uniswap is one of the leading decentralized exchanges protocols out there, and it's been making waves with some impressive upgrades. There's now more room for everyone and a smoother ride. But that's not all. Uniswap is expanding its operation to layer 2 solutions like Optimism and Polygon, which means faster transactions and lower fees. For us, this is great news because it makes trading a lot more efficient without burning a hole in your pocket. They are even dabbling into the NFT space. Yes, you heard that right. By integrating NFT trading capabilities, Uniswap is opening up new opportunities beyond just swapping tokens, and with a refined governance model, Uni token holders are getting more involved in decision making, which is a big plus for community driven growth. Now let's talk about numbers. As of late March 2025, Uniswap was trading at around $7.48. It started the year at roughly $6.50 and has seen a year-to-date increase of about 15%. Even though March saw some ups and downs, with the price moving from $7.20 to $7.48, analysts are pretty much bullish on the coin. You could see Uniswap reaching somewhere between $8.15 to around $9.20, with a full year target hitting up to $12.50 by December 2025. Personally, I think Uniswap isn't just another coin, it's a gateway into the booming DeFi space. Adding Uni to your portfolio can not only diversify your investment, but also give you a chance to participate in governance and even earn passive income through liquidity pools. Next up, we have, before we jump into that, I would love to give a big shout out to the sponsor of this video, BTC Dana. So what is BTC Dana? BTC Dana is a mobile trading platform offering over 300 CFD instruments, including Forex, metals, stocks, indices, and crypto, with a user-friendly interface and MT5 integration, allowing users to trade on the go. Let me show you how to get started with the platform. The first step you want to take is to sign up on the platform. I've left a link in the description that you can use just for this. Once you sign up, the next step you want to take is to now proceed to log in. As you can see, I'm logged into my BTC Dana application. So once you're logged in, the first thing you want to do actually is to go ahead to do your KYC, right? So your KYC is a way for them to know you, get to know you, and you can do that by basically just clicking on here that says assets. Just give me a second. On here that says assets, you can see there's a place that says unverified. So you can click on that place to do the whole verification process. But why I love this application is the fact that it has this demo feature. Let me say, for example, now I want to trade crypto. All you can do is to basically go to here that says markets. On the markets, you can let me say, click on BTC, right, and click on buy BTC, and I'm only able to buy because on the top here you can see here that says demo. I can also switch to a real account. Let me say I've funded my account. I can click here that says real account and proceed to buy. So let me just walk you through how to fund your BTC Dana app. So you click on here that says, you go to here that click on here that says wallet, you click on here that says deposit funds, click on here that says deposit funds, and then you can click on here that says depositing cryptocurrency, right? And then you have to activate your wallet if it's your first time. So you click on here that says activate now, and it activates your wallet. You can see crypto wallets successfully activated, and then click on deposit again, click on depositing cryptocurrency, and you can now deposit USDT either through using this particular wallet, which is a TRC wallet. You can copy it, but I advise you make use of BEP20. Click on BEP20, click on copy, and then you can now go to any of the platforms where you have any of the wallet where you have your crypto coins, and then transfer your crypto coins from that wallet into this crypto account. And you can actually trade many other markets with BTC Dana. You can see the different markets you can trade. You can trade the Forex market, guys. This is crazy, wonderful, guys. You can, let me see, the crypto market is not doing well. You can decide to go and say, okay, let me trade the Forex market, and you can trade metals, You can trade metals, you can trade indices, you can trade stocks. You can trade stocks, guys. You can trade stocks using BTC Dena. BTC Dena is an all-in-one application, and like I said, why I love this app is that they have a demo feature. So let me say you're just learning how to trade these different markets. You can literally sign up on BTC Dena. I've left the link in the description, and to test out the demo version, play around and try to see how how BTC Dena works, and then you can now switch to a real account, fund the account, and get started in trading using BTC Dena. One of the fastest and most innovative blockchains out there. As of late March 2025, Sol was trading at about $131.32. Now, if you look at its year-to-date performance, Solana has had its ups and downs. It reached a high of around $294 this year and dipped to a low of about $110.61. So in March alone, Solana price has bounced between $131 and $138, reflecting some typical market volatility. But here's the exciting part for April. Analysts are forecasting some major moves. Depending on who you listen to, predictions for April range from a modest rise to about $136 to $153, which is like a 3.5% to 16.7% increase, to more bullish calls pushing it all the way to $280 to $300 this year as a whole. That's a potential surge of over 100%. There's also talks of a breakout of above $205, which could mean a rally of around 56% from its current price. Some of the things expected to fuel these predictions include: 1, the ETF momentum. If we see spot ETF approvals, much like what boosted Bitcoin and Ethereum, Solana could ride that wave. We also have Fire Dancer upgrade. This major scalability improvement is expected to boost transactions, speed, and security, making the network even more attractive. Finally, we have ecosystem growth, with record funding fueling developer activity and project launching on Solana. The platform's utility is actually on the rise. For Nigerian investors, this means Solana isn't just another crypto, it's a high risk, high reward play. Imagine turning your investments 2x or even 3x by the end of 2025 if everything goes right. But as always, remember that higher gains comes with higher risk. Regulatory challenges or delays in upgrades could still keep Sol trading around $130. In summary, if Solana manages to break past the $150 mark in April, we might just see a FOMO-driven rally, pushing it towards $200 or even higher. It's actually an exciting time, and while there is potential for 2x to 3x gains by the end of 2025, it's crucial to stay informed and invest wisely. Finally on our list, we have Bitcoin, the king of crypto. So far in 2025, Bitcoin has been on a solid run. It started the year at around $100,000 per one Bitcoin, and by the end of March, it's now sitting at approximately $85,000 per one Bitcoin. Now, you might be wondering, come on, Micah, why will you be adding Bitcoin to your list even when it has dropped? Well, you need to understand that what is happening in the market right now is just profit taking. In March alone, Bitcoin's price moved between $83,800 and almost $87,500. Some analysts even predicted it might hit as high as $104,000 in March, but so far Bitcoin has mostly stayed within the $85,000 per one Bitcoin range. Now, what's next? Well, for April, experts are very bullish. They are predicting that Bitcoin could hit $90,000 and FOMO might set in again, and we might be heading to $100,000 per one Bitcoin once more. Looking at the rest of the year, predictions are mixed but exciting. Some analysts believe Bitcoin could land anywhere between $80,000 and $156,000 in 2025, and while the more optimistic forecast places it at $175,000 to $185,000 per one Bitcoin. And if things get really crazy, some experts even suggest a $200,000 Bitcoin by the end of the year. That's going to be crazy, guys. So you want to tap in right now. And there you have it, guys. My top 5 coins to buy in April 2025. If you have any questions, do well to ask in the comment section. And don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and you can as well join my business and finance community. Link is in the comment section, and see you on the next one. Deal.